Welcome everyone. My name is Jason Tan from ISO Guru SG. Today we are going to deconstruct the ISO 9001 standard. Rather than viewing it as a simple checklist, we want to approach it as a strategic blueprint for quality and performance. This session will provide you with a clear roadmap for understanding the international requirements for a quality management system. Implementing a QMS is not just a box-ticking exercise, it is a strategic decision aimed at improving the overall performance of an organization. There are four primary benefits we aim to achieve: consistency and reliability, the ability to provide products and services that meet both customer needs and regulatory requirements every time. Enhance customer satisfaction, creating systematic opportunities to improve the customer experience and build long-term loyalty. Proactive risk management, moving from a reactive culture to one that addresses risks and opportunities specific to our context. Demonstrated conformity, proving adherence to specified requirements, which builds essential trust with our stakeholders. To understand the requirements, we must first understand the spirit of the standard, which is found in the 7 quality management principles: customer focus, meeting and exceeding what the customer expects. Leadership, ensuring unified purpose and direction from the very top. Engagement of people, empowering competent and engaged people at all levels. Process approach, managing activities as interrelated processes that function as a single system. Improvement, making growth a permanent objective. Evidence-based decision-making, basing our choices on the analysis and evaluation of real data. Relationship management, optimizing our performance by managing relationships with parties like suppliers. The standard structures its requirements around the Plan, Do, Check, Act (PDCA) cycle. This model ensures that processes are not only resourced and managed but also continually improved. Plan, clauses 4, context, 5, leadership, and 6, planning. Do, clauses 7, support, and 8, operation. Check, clause 9, performance evaluation. Act, clause 10, improvement. In the plan phase, we determine where we are and where we want to go. Clause 4, context, we look at internal and external issues, identify our stakeholders, and define the scope of our QMS. Clause 5, leadership, top management must demonstrate commitment, take accountability, and establish a formal quality policy. Clause 6, planning, we proactively plan actions to address risks and set measurable quality objectives. Implementation begins with providing support. Clause 7, support, we must provide the necessary resources, including people, infrastructure, environment, and organizational knowledge. We also ensure people are competent and aware of their roles. Clause 8, operation, this is the core work. It involves operational planning and control. Managing requirements for products and services. Design and development. Controlling external providers, suppliers. The actual production and service provision. Release of products and control of anything that doesn't meet requirements, non-conforming outputs. The check phase is about monitoring. Did we do what we planned, and did it work? Monitoring and measurement, we specifically track customer satisfaction and analyze data to evaluate QMS effectiveness. Internal audit, we conduct audits at planned intervals to verify conformity. Management review, top management reviews the system's adequacy and effectiveness to decide on future improvements. Finally, we act to improve performance. Clause 10, we react to non-conformities, evaluate the need for corrective action to prevent recurrence, and use our data to continually improve the suitability and effectiveness of the QMS. ISO 9001 is a strategic framework, not a bureaucratic checklist. It is guided by core principles. The 7 principles, from customer focus to relationship management, provide a philosophical foundation for a culture of quality. It operates via the PDCA cycle. The Plan, Do, Check, Act engine transforms the standard from a static set of rules into a dynamic, iterative process for managing and improving the organization. The ultimate goal is performance. The effective application of the system is designed to enhance customer satisfaction, ensure conformity, and drive continual improvement across the entire organization. For those needing a deeper dive, Appendix A provides a clause to PDCA mapping. Appendix B lists exactly what documented information the standard requires you to maintain versus what you must retain. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment if you have questions, I'm happy to help explain more. And check out our other videos.